The founder of International Youth Fellowship, Reverend Dr. Okso Park, distinguished guests from all over the world, the youth from all over the world in attendance, ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all. From the onset, I wish to congratulate the International Youth Fellowship on their 20th anniversary. I'm also grateful for IYF's persistence and pursuit of youth welfare. It is always a pleasure to see programs which go a long way in helping our young people in the positive development of their lives. It has become evident that the COVID-19 pandemic has propelled us to reduce social gatherings and meetings. The IYF has made a great and commendable effort of moving this worldwide Youth Connect event online. This will truly be an opportunity to connect more numbers of youth around the world through the online platform. I'm sure that after this camp, the youth will be equipped with skills in utilizing the various online platforms and will transfer the acquired knowledge to their societies. This world-renowned event will equip and inspire the hearts and minds of the young people to overcome this difficult time and come out on top with hope and resolve in their hearts. IYF has held its world camps annually in Botswana since 2013 in partnership with the Ministry of Youth Empowerment, Sport and Culture Development. Due to the success of this program in the lives of many young people, the ministry has become supporting IYF to host the event annually. On a global scale, through IYF, the youth are joining forces with their peers in other countries, forming a global network of like-minded, responsible, humble leaders. In addition to this, our youth have become part of a global family that currently plays together, but in future will lead their respective countries in a responsible and disciplined manner. It came to our attention that for young people to reach this high level of achievement, it is pragmatic that they undergo a mindset change to help them be on par with their peers worldwide. Mind education is clearly the key that unlocks the hearts of the youth and transforms them from having a negative perspective on life to a positive one. Indeed, through such a healthy mindset, our young people will surely persevere in any situation they go through in life, and many of their lives will be changed. With these few remarks, I wish to conclude my speech by congratulating the IYF for this great event and for reaching your 20th anniversary. Thank you very much for your attention. Apulaine.